Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to find and how to use TikTok template to make a content less than 1 minute. So first thing we have to do now is just go open the TikTok application, and in this TikTok application, when you already open it, you will be generated into the home screen, but you just need to go jump into this plus button to create a new content. After you click this plus button, you will be having access into the TikTok camera, but then this is not the place that we have to go. So if you want to find and use the templates, you just need to jump into the templates. And after you find the template that you want to use here, you just need to choose which photos that you want to add into this template. For example, this and this. Okay, follow all of the instruction, and now just need to click OK. Wait until the process is 100% applying into your and now you just need to click next, and now you're ready to add the captions on your content. And when you're done with the caption, you just need to go click post. So that's the way how to find and use a TikTok template to create a content less than 1 minute. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.